this problem has started arising now in the vehicle because of the heat. गाड़ी हीट हो गई है। ओ देखो पीछे my car is there। पता नहीं यार, अच्छा भला तो लग रहा है, पता नहीं क्या खराब हो गया इसमें। भाई अभी बहुत एक अच्छी चीज मिली है मेरे को, which I was just talking about it. I was telling my servants and all, they keep going uphill to Garhwal. I told them, I said, भैया अगर ये आप फल मेरे लिए ले आओ, so by the time they come from there they get spoiled. But now I know that this fellow is here and I'm going to show you. Let me face the camera down and show in his टोकरी। ये देखो भाई, काफल मिल गया है। भैया आप अपना ना फोन नंबर देना, मैं दोबारा आ रहा हूँ अभी मनाली, आपको फिर फोन करूंगा, आप कहीं होंगे ना, मैं आपको उठाऊंगा आपसे। ये भाई इट्स मेड माई डे, आई फाइनली फाउंड काफल, इट्स वेरी नाइस। ये गढ़वाल में ही मिलता है भाई। अब मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ, ये देखो ये है काफल। यू पुट ब्लैक सॉल्ट and you really enjoy it. थोड़े cherries भी उठाए, we picked up cherries and we picked up strawberries. Very nice, very nice. I'll flip the camera. Now see the view. देखो सामने। It's very close for us, but for the camera it's far. For the camera it's far. अब हम जाएंगे यहाँ पे मोमो खाएंगे। मोमो खाएंगे। तो भैया I have come to my old place to eat my momos. I don't eat momos from anywhere. This one, ये देखो, this is Puran Dhaba, है ना? This is Puran Dhaba. यहाँ के मटन मोमोज मेरे को बहुत पसंद है। I love to eat the mutton momos and they give lovely soup with this. So whenever I come here, I always come here. I make a stop. I always take from here because he makes fresh बनाता रहेगा ये, एकदम fresh. He'll not keep it ready. He'll keep it fresh from base. He'll make. Hey, idiot. So I'm gonna have some momo. By the way, if you cannot find this shop, there is this shop here, Select Mutton Products. This meat shop is here. बस meat shop के बिल्कुल बगल में you have this. And if you want another hint, that shop number 174 के बिल्कुल opposite you have the this fellow. If you want to come here.
Use the one with chili for us.
Do you like this, Livy?
Yeah, that's why we came here.
Oh, Irene, do you like it?
It's a blockade to
बहुत बढ़िया है। When you eat ना मजेदार मोमोज। This is the soup they give you. This is stock. बढ़िया सूप देते हैं ये, lovely soup with a piece of mutton in it and the momos. Very nice combination. This, my friends, is the beginning of Sisu. This is the famous lane where all the trees become yellow and nice. Unfortunately they are green, candy. But what unfortunately they are nice.
I put some cotton candy in it.
रोड देखो यार, कितनी बढ़िया रोड है, मजेदार. Safety is gainful, accident is painful. Tandi 24 kilometers, so Tandi is coming, guys. Tandi में हम अपना फ्यूल भरेंगे. वैसे तो मेरे पास अभी रेंज है, which is showing me about still 141 kilometers of range I've got on my Thar. This is all Sisu के छोटे छोटे places है for little homestay.
Polling booth.
And where polling booth?
Yeah.
Ah, they're having booths. Oh, there's this bakery here. You want to pick up something from this bakery?
No, go.
Nice bakery है, बढ़िया है.
No, I don't want anything.
अरे यार, this is the last bakery.
No, I don't like breads.
अरे but I like यार. झूले. Oh, see.
अरे बाप रे.
40 किलो 40 को ठीक है भैया, सही है. Aussie, yeah, look here, yeah. इधर देख, इधर लगी. What are you doing? What are you doing? No, you can't touch it. Ho.
You want to fill some drinking water?
No.
Blue Star is there.
No.
I can't believe touch my hand.
Let me, where did you go? Oh, it's cold.
My hand is frozen.
Cold. The water's cold. That means.
It's frozen. My
You want to ease yourself?
Yes, I did.
Okay. चलो भैया. Aussie तो slept well. Yes.
My hand is frozen.
Yeah. अब जो है, अब देखो रेंज क्या दिखा रहा है मेरे को. 7.9 is the average. 541 किलोमीटर्स का रेंज दिखा रहा है ये मेरे को. तो चलो भैया चलते हैं, अब काफी है तेल. लेट्स गो. तो भैया ये बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे, here we have to make our entry. Yes. Okay. So भैया, this is our tent and tent number is 110. and भाई यहाँ से ये देखो व्यू, ये देखो पहाड़, और वो सामने देखो. in the camera it is looking very far but it's very close with the naked eye. ये देखो मौसम, देखो ऊपर, ये देखो है ना चीज. चलो भाई, let me show you the tent from inside. Limmy and the kids have gone for lunch. ये रहा एक single bed, one huge double bed, and we've set up our things here. There's a little bulb, waste bin, washroom, ऐसे, but it's nice and clean. I think I'm going to leave all my phones here क्योंकि लाइट का कुछ पता नहीं है कब चार्ज हो रहा है कब नहीं हो रहा है ना. तो एक फ़ोन ये रहा, एक फ़ोन ये रहा मेरा. आई वॉच इधर है, ये OnePlus Open इधर है. बाकी ये जो रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा हूँ मैं GoPro से कर रहा हूँ. बाकी चलो हम चलते हैं यहाँ से सीधे. So the journey was very tiring but मज़ेदार था. और चलते चलते गए हम. मैं तो हैरान हो गया that I used to come from Chandigarh, I used to fill up the tank यार. अब पता नहीं. Anyhow, ये देखो भैया, this is the place where you have to go and sit down and eat. They don't serve खाना in the tents. अच्छी बात है. And that's the riverside. I'll be taking Irene there a little while to show her around. These must be the staff tents. ये वाला सब. और मौसम अभी थोड़ा, it's hot. The sun is strong but you don't feel the heat because the cold breeze is also blowing. And the best part is this thing यार, वो चीज़ बहुत बढ़िया यार. बहुत बढ़िया.
Oh, he said for dinner chicken, paneer and dal and rice.
बहुत ही
paratha.
बढ़िया.
हाँ.
देखो क्या लिखा है इसमें.
Look the magic items. Show this.
What has she done?
Show this magic item. Say it's my magic.
Irene, what?
Katori, bottle.
2 bowls, water bottle, glass, tissue paper, and Aussie's mug. Too early. अच्छा है बढ़िया. See these nice Tibetan nomad with a yak. Nice setup.
डिनर का भी यही होगा शायद ना, ऐसे ही होगा.
दिन में बहुत लगते हैं.
अच्छा इधर रख दीजिए. अच्छा.
हमारा चिकन करी, दाल फ्राई, चावल,
And salad. Thank you.
salad. Give him to me, otherwise you eat आराम से. Then I'll when you finish. No. Then when you finish, then I'll eat.
Put some salt for me. Where is the salt for? There.
Bring another salt.
There, yeah.
My spring water na.
How's it?
Glass.
Nice? Not bad? Chalo, good hai. Let's take some little rice. ये सारा ही डाल दो चावल, थोड़ा ही तो.
Like drinking a cup of tea.
Tell him he'll make for you. And a little bit of. Actually, Limi was right. चिकन करी दिए पर छोटे छोटे पीस दिए एकदम.
भैया, एक कप चाय मिलेगा मुझे?
Let's eat now.
I think it's
खाना खाते हैं. Bon appetit to me.
jacket okay?
Guys, I have to say, the food is excellent. Too good.
Very sweet for you, I think.
The salt is just balanced. Chilies are just balanced. Gravy is superb. I'm enjoying it. Lovely food. After a long time, I'm having good chicken curry. Never expected this, but बढ़िया है. सही है. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Shall walk with me till the tent. We'll bring. See भैया, look at the weather. क्या सही हो गया मौसम. बादल ऊपर आ जाते हैं वहाँ पे, वो देखो. बादल ऊपर आ जाते हैं तो इसका मतलब ऊपर बर्फ़ गिर रही है. ओए होए, क्या मौसम है. ठंडा हो गया है. ठंडा हो गया. एंड आई एम स्टिल इन माई वैनियन. लेकिन मज़ा आ रहा है. उधर तो 100%, if it is hazy that side, 100% it is snowing on top there. 100%.
And there also.
Yeah. Lovely. It's starting to rain. It's drizzling. The clouds are coming from there, if you see. Oh, woo! अंदर टेंट में घुस जाओ भाई. हो, हा. उई.
ऑर्डर बाहर का बंद कर दे. It will become too cold. बाहर का वो. Go and close this outside का this.
What is Aussie doing? Hey.
I think
Yes.
can't you wear your own socks?
Yes, little fellow. Yes. Yes. भैया ठंड हो गई है और हम ब्लैंकेट के अंदर चले गए हैं. It's cold now. Aussie is again giving me problem. Aussie? देखो क्या करी जा रहा है. बहुत ठंड हो गया यार. It's very cold. It's nice and cold. Let me see what is the temperature. Let's see here. यहाँ पे है use precise location. Oh, temperature, and it says light rain showers, and the Google is asking, is it raining or snowing now? So we don't know. Oh Lord, भाई मैं तो एक ही जैकेट ये लेके आया हूँ, अगर यहाँ पे ज़्यादा ठंड पड़ गई मेरी लग जाएगी. I'll have to go and buy a jacket from Kelong or something. Oof. Anyways, I have to go to the गाड़ी now and bring the umbrella. This cold, see the weather. मौसम देखो क्या हो गया. See, initially भी पहाड़ देखो. हो. भाई मजा आ रहा है. ये देखो गाड़ी भी पूरी अच्छी तरह भीग रही है. सीधा क्लाउड. ओए होए, देखो भाई. ओए होए, ठंड हो गया है. 7 डिग्री. Who knows, it might snow. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Where is it? Here the umbrellas are here. Yeah. ठंड है. लॉक कर दो. मजा आ गया भाई. मौसम देखो, पहाड़ आगे के दिख ही नहीं रहे हैं. नाउ you can't see the bloody snow, the mountains. You can't see. Oh, my hands are freezing. I'm going inside. Bye. So भैया, it is 8:37 now and it is time for dinner and the temperature right now is 5 degrees. और यहाँ पे देखो इन्होंने bonfire किया हुआ है, थोड़ा म्यूजिक वगैरह चल रहा है. And there is place to sit down there also. पर वहाँ कोई जाएगा नहीं because it is very cold. Irene is also playing here. Bonfire किया हुआ है इन्होंने, अभी लगाया है, शुरू किया है. But I don't think so we'll be able to sit down because the temperature is showing 5 and it is only dropping. And the latest temperature means last tak, what I saw it on Google was 2 baje tak it's going to drop down to -3, -4, and then around 4 o'clock in the morning it will go around drop down to -5. Oh, see here, who's come? Who's come? Hello, little fellow. Hello, Ozzy. Hello, Ozzy. Oh, look at Mama, how she's covered up fully. Tribal style. Ozzy. Yes. Smile. Smile for Daddy. He is bothered. Bonfire के पास बैठ जाते हैं.
Yeah, bonfire.
Go sit down next to the bonfire. Yes. चलो, I'll get back to you all in a while.
Okay, let them.
भीड़ है ना अंदर?
अंधेरे था.
People are serving just now. See, I'll show you. I'll give you a look. See, here. सब लोग, they all are serving just now. This is the seating area. बस ऐसी है भैया. एडवेंचर करना है तो ऐसे आओ. Come this side and venture out. I could have stayed in a hotel, but I decided to camp out. I know my son is very small, but I have cladded him well. Mother's cladded him well, and थोड़ा tough है थोड़ा. He'll be little tough. He's a fighter, so he'll survive. So I'm not worried about that. So ऐसा है भैया. Now we have had dinner. बहुत अच्छा खाना था. There was chicken curry. There was mixed vegetable. In mixed vegetable they had beans, matar, paneer, gajar, and gobi. है ना?
Should have shown the.
And then it had all got over, yaar. Otherwise I would have shown. So then there was matar paneer also separately, rice, tandoori roti, and बहुत ही बढ़िया लिमिटेड इन्होंने छोटा सा बोल में बना के रखा था बैंगन की सब्जी. बहुत ही टेस्टी था. एंड दाल ऑफ कोर्स, मिक्स दाल, सैलेड. एंड फॉर डिजर्ट ये है
Here's a dessert here.
गरम गरम खीर.
Simai. No, it's not
Simai.
Kheer. हाँ, simai.
Simai and kheer.
Simai or siwai. What do you call?
Anyhow, sweet porridge you can call it.
Yeah, he's
Ozzy is
having.
enjoying it. Ozzy is eating it. No, Ozzy? Ah, lovely. So that's all now. The temperature is 5 degrees as of now. And let me see again. I'll check again. Here, see. अभी तो 5 दिखा रहा है. रिफ्रेश करते हैं. 4 हो गया है. It's become 4 degrees now. मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. मज़ा आता है. But the thing is, I bought my family this time na. So Ozzy is very small. He is 1 year and 5 months old. And Irene is also going to be 6 years old when she in July. Yeah, 12th July she's going to be 6 years old. So ठंड तो है बाहर. There is a brisk. It's brisk outside and बस यार. That's all for the day. Bye. Ozzy, here.
yeah, bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye bye.
Bye.
Good boy. Irene, say bye. Limi. Bye bye.
See you in
Take
the
care.
morning.